This week, we begin with one of the most visually iconic ingredients in modern peptide skincare, GHK-Cu. You may recognize it by its distinctive blue tone. But within the peptide ritual world, that blue is more than aesthetic. It represents precision, visible renewal, a kind of molecular elegance that feels both scientific and deeply ritualistic. We believe luxury is not excess. Luxury is not a crowded shelf, an aggressive routine, or a product that promises too much. Luxury is restraint. Luxury is intelligence. Luxury is knowing exactly what belongs on the skin and why. That is why GHK-Cu is such a natural beginning for this 12-week peptide journey. GHK-Cu is a copper peptide known in cosmetic skincare for its association with radiance, texture refinement, and skin that appears calmer, smoother, and more refreshed. It belongs to a category of ingredients that helps make skincare feel more intentional, more precise. And that distinction matters, because modern skincare can often feel loud. New routines layered on top of routines. Peptide Ritual was created as an intelligent alternative to that noise. A place where clinically aligned peptide science meets emotional clarity, where the ritual itself becomes part of the luxury. This week's theme is visible renewal through copper peptide precision through aggression. Not renewal through stripping, overcorrecting, or chasing instant transformation, but renewal as a refined process. A visible return to skin that looks more radiant, balanced, and cared for. In the Peptide Ritual collection, GHK-Cu appears across several key formulas. Copper Glow Repair Drops are designed as a focused blue ritual for glow, calm, and texture refinement. They bring the visual beauty of copper peptide care into the routine in a way that feels both elevated and intentional. GHK-Cu Renewal Complex 2 offers an advanced copper peptide booster for radiance and cosmetic post-treatment support. It is for the customer who wants a more focused peptide step within a refined routine. Wrinkle Reset Serum includes GHK-Cu as part of a broader daily peptide anchor, alongside Matrixil registered 3000 and SYN registered Call to support visibly firmer, smoother, more radiant-looking skin. And GHK-Cu Overnight Mask carries the blue ritual into evening care, where visible renewal, softness, and calm become part of the night. This is where the peptide ritual philosophy becomes important. A formula is not only what it contains. Into the moment when someone chooses to care for their skin with intention instead of urgency. GHK-Cu gives us a language for that. Blue is precision. Blue is a quiet signal that the ritual is working not through force but through sophistication. This is the kind of skincare Peptide Ritual stands for. Clinically aligned, not trend-led. Emotionally intelligent, not sentimental. Luxurious because it is precise. For the week ahead, let your ritual be less about doing more and more about choosing better. Let copper peptide care become a moment of visible renewal, texture refinement, and calm confidence. Because that peptide ritual science is the luxury.